Hey, creative design crew, this is going to be a real quick, hopefully, video to demo what I want you to do in the meantime while we're waiting for our software Fusion to get installed and configured the right way so we can do some 3D print design. We're going to do some new slash old school work where I'm going to give you guys a piece of wood, 7 inches by 5.5 inches. I'm going to have you design something using this software that you'll lay out on the board to cut out. And you can do something super simple like a basic letter for your initial or initials. If you want to use the wood to cut smaller stuff, you don't have to do one big thing. You can do multiple smaller things with it. But the idea, I'm looking for you to play around with this program. You're going to go into Canva. If you ever need to get to the home screen on any website, usually you click the name of the program that you're in. You're going to go create design. You're going to have to choose it's going to look like this to begin with. You're going to go to custom size, and you're going to dimension this 7 inches wide, 5.5 or 5.5 inches tall. Real quick before I forget, you've got to change the units over here to inches, so you do this in normal units that you know, and you're going to hit create design. And if you have no experience with this program, what's neat about this is you can hit add page down here, and you can lay out a lot of different options without a whole lot of work. Click add text box and you want to try to do something lettering wise, um, I'll just put in both of my initials here. Scaling text work will look like this, where you can modify with fonts in this program. You could use keywords to get you to where you want to be faster. If you're looking to do something more like an eloquent lettering, you can do different kinds of search, like calligraphy, and it's going to give you all the calligraphy. You don't have to search by, let's see, some things are going to work, some things would not. Clearly, this is just going to be an experimental process. But so say I wanted to cut out my initials, and I find the font that I want to use, scale it to make it maximize the use of the lumber that I'm going to give you simply, and you can print that out and lay it out on the lumber. But what I'm looking for you to play around with is, trying to optimize something that you really want to build. Um, you get some bandsaw practice, get some design practice in a program like this, so you can play around elements over here. One of the things I was thinking of would be maybe neat would be to do something school related, maybe a compass, cutting the letters off and just lay out something like that might be cool. I don't know. Just thinking out loud, but showing you how you're going to go about doing exactly that. Uh, you're not bound to not being down to a design project. Like an order is hard for some people. If you're really like, I don't know what to do and you're lost, you can do something like Mariners related. Maybe we can make something nice and hang it up as a decoration in the building. You know, you're free to choose what you want. And if you want to make a shrimp, go ahead, cut a shrimp. Like it doesn't really matter. But the idea is you're going to get on a saw and do some cut work so you can get some time and practice and make it fun. You know, design. It's a reasonable size. You can pull out a ruler and look at 5.5 by 7 inches. But I'm just going to pre-cut pieces of wood for you guys to print stuff up. Trim this out with X-Acto knives or scissors or however you want to do it, um, to get this cut out, and then trace it onto the board and get you some cut experience. Again, like you can look around online if you um, could even look up wooden decorations. I mean, there's all kinds of options here. It's just this is the program that I want you to use to come up with a plan and do it like this. And I'll show you how to print when you're ready. The best way to do this is to just download your design, and you can just download whatever page you need to download as an image file to your computer. Oh, I didn't realize it turns into a compressed folder. You can right click on it. Why isn't it giving me? I'm missing it. Extract. If it does that. I don't know how it compressed it because I downloaded more than one of my images that I can compress it if that's the case. But it would just be like this: you open it up, send it to the printer, depending on the program that you're using. Oh, that's right. It's print setup is here, and it's the EO3 5225 printer. If you've never used it before, that I print to and trim it out. And it's nothing complicated here. I just want you guys to actually get some good time and on the bandsaws and get skilled for some other things we're about to do soon. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.